Hello, it's me, Trainboy the Fence, and welcome to another episode. Today we are on the Isle of Wight. The Isle of Wight is an island off the south coast of the UK. There are two ways to get there. The first is the ferry, which we took, and the other is the hovercraft. I had lots of train-themed adventures on the Isle of Wight, and there will be 3 videos about this. This is the first one about a trip I made on the Island Line. What's special about the Island Line is the age of the stock. The stock was built in 1938 and is an ex-London Underground stock. These stock are soon to be replaced by Viva Rail Class 484s, which are also converted Underground stock. I went from Sandown to Ryde Esplanade, so I had to buy a ticket to ride. Hope you enjoy this video. This person is 4308 on a service to Shanklin, and her next stop is going to be late. Let's see that one going. Doors are shutting. I might not see that one. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe. Also feel free to leave a comment. Join us next time for the second Isle of Wight video, the Robin Hill Cows Express, which combines train fun with cow jokes.